Hello parents, teachers and students. Welcome to the Year 5 class assembly. In our unit of inquiry we've been learning explorers and explorations. Year 5 Sea Lions is doing a song about one of them, Christopher Columbus. Please enjoy.
In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean, but it was a courageous thing to do. Someone's already here. In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean, it was a courageous thing to do, but someone's already there.
With the Cherokee, the Aztecan, Menominee, Onondaga, and the Creek.
Columbus sailed across the sea, someone was already here. Columbus knew the world was round, so he looked for the east while westward bound, but he didn't find what he thought he found, 'cause someone was already here.
Columbus knew the world was round, so looked to the east by western bound. Didn't find what he thought he'd find. Someone was already here.
The went to Cherokee, the Aztecan, Menominee, Onondaga, and the Creek. Columbus sailed across the sea, but someone was already here.
It isn't like 'twas empty space. Caribs met him face to face. Could anyone discover the place when someone was already here? It isn't like 'twas empty space. Caribs met him face to face. Could anyone discover the place when someone was already here?
But when we went to Cherokee, the Aztecan, Menominee, Onondaga, and the Creek. Columbus sailed across the sea, someone was already here.
So tell me who discovered that he thought he was in a different spot. Columbus was lost, the cards were not, they were already here.
So tell me who discovered what? He thought he was in a different spot. Columbus was lost, the cards were not, they were already here.
The Cherokee, Aztecan, Menominee, Onondaga, and the Creek. Columbus sailed across the sea, but some of the late
Cherokee, the Aztecan, Menominee, Onondaga, and the Creek.
Columbus sailed across the sea, but someone was already here.
Someone was already here. Someone was already here. Someone was already here.
Hello, welcome to the Year 5 Assembly. We're going to present a poem about explorers and explorations. Hope you enjoy.
The things that haven't been done before, those are the things to try. Columbus dreamed of an unknown shore, the rim of the far-flung sky, and his heart was bold and his faith was strong. As he ventured in danger, he paid no heed to the dream long.
Of the fears of the doubting.
Things that haven't been done before, and the tasks worthwhile to do. Are you one of the flock that follows, or are you the one that shall lead the way?
The timid blue whale souls.
Are you one of the timid toes that follow, or dare you whether you win or fail, strike out for a goal that's near?
And we're gonna be talking about souvenirs. Used to remember famous explorers. Wouldn't that be exciting?
Shiza, did you just say souvenirs? Oh my, there's so many things we can remember from these great explorers. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present about the monuments of Ibn Battuta, the explorer of 14th century. Ibn Battuta's tomb at Tangier, Morocco, his homeland. Ibn Battuta Gate and landmark building in Dubai. Ibn Battuta Shopping Mall, Jebel Ali, Dubai, UAE. Thank you for watching.
Neil Armstrong was an American astronaut and the first person to walk on the moon. There are some souvenirs of Neil Armstrong. left for us to remember him. The camera that he took photos on the moon, and the other picture is some tools and devices he used to use on the moon. Here are some rocks from the moon. The other picture is when he first walked on the moon. This is his first footstep on the moon. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about Leif Erikson and what he did. Leif Erikson was the first most explorer from Iceland. He's known to have been the first man to discover North America. Various structures have been set up or put up for his remembrance and portrayed as souvenirs. Modern recreation of the North site activities and listed by UNESCO as World Heritage. Leif Erikson Memorial Statue at Seashore Bay Marina Port was set up.
Souvenirs. USA establishes Christopher Columbus announcing his discovery to the king and queen of Spain. Italian 5000 building that has Christopher Columbus' face on each. History ships Nina, Pinta, and Santa Maria. Christopher Columbus' voyage journal. Columbus Day. Thanks for listening.
Anne Bancroft is one of the greatest explorers we have today. She became the first woman to reach North Pole. It took her 65 days on foot and sled. She is also the first woman to cross both polar ice caps. Her valuable souvenirs are the books she wrote, and these include Anne Bancroft Explorer and No Horizon is So Far.
You are the popular one, the popular chick. It is what it is now, popular.
Hello, my name is Sabrina. For our assembly this year, we chose Explorers and Exploration as our unit. Our presentation entails an overview of explorers. Let's see what our friends have for us.
As we go on to our new topic, exploration and exploration, my friends and I had a lot of questions like, who is an explorer? What is an exploration? And they go to band and etc. So, as time moves on, we will learn more facts and things about them. Who is an explorer? An explorer is a person who travels in search of geographical and scientific information. My friend Sabrina and other friends have a lot of information about explorers and exploration. So,
What's the importance of exploration? What is exploration? The importance of exploration is it lets someone either know their family history or their country history. People could travel to mountains, jungles, pyramids to find out either their country or family history. Exploration is basically the action of exploring an unfamiliar area. Thank you for listening to me. Now let's go find out why would people explore and why did people explore.
Explorers mainly explore because of trading. It is when they leave their homes to find new foods and spices for their country. But they also do it to find new land for their country. But some explorers do it because of their religion. For example, Ibn Battuta went on his biggest adventure right after his pilgrimage to Mecca. Some explorers mainly do it to find new species of animals and marine life. Let's hear more reasons why people explore from the news.
number one, could you all be answering the question, why will people explore? There are two reasons why people will explore. Number one, curiosity. be curious about the world. Number 2, adventurous. People maybe like to travel to different countries, make new friends, try new dishes, and learn new experiences. Number 3, fame. People may like to become famous by discovering something. Number 4, trading. People may go to different countries to trade goods. 5, treasure hunting. People may looking for treasures in different countries and islands. And number 6, research. In most cases, explorers are scientists hoping to discover new things about nature and new parts of the world. They're hoping to discover new species of animals and plants. So friends, these are the 6 reasons why people will explore. So now, let's see what Zara knows about explorers.
Explorers go on ships to explore the world. They were using inaccurate maps, undependable navigation techniques, and leaky ships to explore the world. They understood well that the voyage could cost them their lives.
Oh, hello, my name is Ethan and I'm going to tell you some hard times Christopher Columbus had. One of them is that one time when he was traveling, his boat got wrecked and crashed. And that was a really hard time for him because he had to swim to shore. And another one of them is that when he was going to explore more, he had to leave his family and that was a really hard time for him too because he couldn't see his family. And also another hard time for him is that when his parents died.
Explorers like Christopher Columbus were courageous, brave, risk-takers, inquirers, thinkers, and very knowledgeable.
Some of the traits Christopher Columbus had. 1. He was courageous, he was brave, he was intelligent, and he was faithful.
We have learned about explorers like Christopher Columbus. He was an Italian explorer and navigator who completed 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean, opening the way for European exploration and colonization of Americas. He was born in 1451, Genoa, Italy, died in May 20, 1506, Valladolid, Spain. His children were Diego Columbus and Ferdinand Columbus. Place of burial, Catre del Sevilla, Spain, and more.
We looked at 2 explorers and I will show you. One of them is Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta was a Moroccan explorer who explored the old world. Ibn Battuta was a Muslim and well-educated man. He was born in Tangier on 24th February 1304. He went for his first pilgrimage at the age of 21. He did not return home for 24 years. And instead of going back home, he set off to India, then China, and he died at the age of 64 to 65 at Tomb of Ibn Battuta, 1369.
Explorers like Ibn Battuta, a great and famous explorer, helped different people understand more about different people, cultures and places through his famous travelogue, the Rila.
What do? The explorers. Exploration is the act of searching for the purpose of discovering of information or resources. Exploration occurs in all non-sessile animal species, including humans. In human history, its most dramatic rise was during the Age of Discovery, when European explorers sailed and charted much of the rest of the world. For a variety of reasons, since then, major exploration after the Age of Discovery have occurred for reasons mostly aimed at information discovery.
The explorer Christopher Columbus made 4 trips across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain in 1492, 1493, 1498 and 1502. He was determined to find a direct water route west from Europe to Asia, but he never did. In
instead he stumbled upon the Americas.
Columbus had some fears like a hurricane, suffered from malaria, and a shipwreck.
Was Christopher Columbus afraid of anything? Yes, Christopher Columbus was afraid of water at the age of 14. He was only drawn to the sea.
I learned this from Christopher Columbus. Be brave, be courageous, never let yourself down, be smart, be adventurous, and do the thing that's right all the time.
Learned to be brave, principled, focused, and to believe in myself.
And now, we represent to you our next song about astronauts. Please keep watch.
We are go for liftoff in T-minus 30. Roger that, Houston. All systems 5 by 5.
Ready for liftoff?
10,
9,
8,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off!
We're Bounce Patrol, astronauts, we travel the galaxy. Flying through outer space is where we love to be. We float inside our rocket ship, it's zero gravity. Join us on our mission of discovery. Outside our window there's a million stars and more. Planets, moons, asteroids for us to explore. If we're lucky now and then we get to meet some aliens.
Greetings, our friends. Would you like to be our friends?
We'd love to be your friends.
We're Bounce Patrol, astronauts, we travel the galaxy. Flying through outer space is where we love to be. We float inside our rocket ship, it's zero gravity. Join us on our mission of discovery. There's fun and adventure to be had everywhere. Flying through outer space without a care. One day on a mission, we landed on Mars. Ran into some Martians who played guitars. We're Bounce Patrol, astronauts, we travel the galaxy. Flying through outer space is where we love to be. We float inside our rocket ship, it's zero gravity. Join us on our mission of discovery. We're Bounce Patrol, astronauts, we travel the galaxy. Flying through outer space is where we love to be. We float inside our rocket ship, it's zero gravity. Join us on our mission of discovery. We're Bounce Patrol, astronauts.